Heat death. Heat death, also known as the Big Freeze, is one of the most widely accepted scientific theories about the ultimate fate of the universe. It is based on the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy, or disorder, tends to increase over time in a closed system. In this scenario, the universe continues to expand indefinitely. As it expands, galaxies move farther apart, stars burn out, and new stars stop forming because raw material becomes scarce. Eventually, all matter approaches thermal equilibrium. That means temperature differences, the driving force for all processes in the universe, disappear. At that point, there would be no usable energy left to support motion, work, or even thought. Stars would become cold remnants. Black holes would slowly evaporate due to Hawking radiation. The cosmos would be dark, cold, and empty. Time still passes, but nothing meaningful occurs. This is the ultimate expression of entropy, a dead, motionless universe approaching absolute zero temperature. The Big Crunch. The Big Crunch is essentially the opposite of the Big Freeze. Instead of expanding forever, this theory proposes that the universe's expansion will eventually halt and reverse due to the force of gravity. If the universe contains enough matter, including dark matter, then gravity could eventually overcome expansion and pull everything back together. Over billions of years, galaxies would slow down, stop receding, and then begin to move closer. Temperatures would rise as matter becomes increasingly compressed. Stars, planets, and even atoms would be crushed together. This process would culminate in an immense collapse, compressing all mass and energy into a super-dense singularity, similar to the state from which the Big Bang originated. Some models suggest this could lead to a cyclic universe, where a new Big Bang follows every Big Crunch. However, current observations of dark energy, the mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe, make the Big Crunch less likely, as the universe does not appear to be slowing down. The Big Rip. The Big Rip is a theoretical end scenario driven by a specific form of dark energy called phantom energy. Unlike normal dark energy, which causes a steady acceleration of cosmic expansion, phantom energy grows stronger over time. Its repulsive force would eventually overcome all other forces in the universe, including gravity, electromagnetism, and even the strong nuclear force that holds atoms together. In this model, the expansion of the universe doesn't just continue, it accelerates to the point of tearing everything apart. First, distant galaxies would be pulled away from each other. Then, individual galaxies, including the Milky Way, would be shredded. Solar systems would disintegrate, and eventually, the force would grow so intense that planets, atoms, and even subatomic particles are ripped apart. The timeline depends on the exact properties of phantom energy, but if it exists and behaves this way, the universe could end in a violent, all-consuming disintegration. The Big Rip. This scenario could unfold in a finite amount of time, potentially tens of billions of years from now. Vacuum decay. Vacuum decay is based on the idea that our universe may exist in a false vacuum, a local but not absolute minimum of energy. In quantum field theory, what appears stable might not be the most stable state possible. If a true vacuum exists, a state of even lower energy, the universe could suddenly transition to it. This transition would be triggered by a quantum tunneling event. It would create a vacuum bubble that expands outward at nearly the speed of light, destroying everything in its path. The laws of physics inside the bubble would be fundamentally different. Particles, forces, and even space-time itself could behave in alien, incompatible ways. There would be no warning. Because the bubble expands at light speed, we wouldn't see it coming. Planets, stars, atoms, all would be annihilated as the structure of matter becomes unstable in the new vacuum state. The entire universe as we know it would be rewritten, or simply erased. Vacuum decay is not just theoretical. Some versions of the standard model of particle physics suggest it's possible, depending on the exact mass of the Higgs boson and top quark. While the likelihood may be low, it remains one of the most chilling possible ends. The Big Bounce. The Big Bounce proposes a cyclical model of the universe. In this theory, the universe undergoes infinite cycles of expansion and contraction. Each cycle begins with a Big Bang and ends with a Big Crunch. But instead of ending completely, the collapse triggers another Big Bang, restarting the universe anew. This idea requires modifications to general relativity or the inclusion of quantum gravity effects. In some models, quantum mechanics prevents the universe from collapsing into a singularity. Instead, space-time bounces back, expanding again. Matter and energy could be recycled or regenerated during this process, although the conditions of each cycle might differ slightly. The Big Bounce could help explain what caused the original Big Bang, a question that traditional cosmology leaves unanswered. However, it's still speculative. Evidence for a previous universe would be extremely hard to detect, as any traces would likely be erased or distorted during the bounce. While the Big Bounce doesn't suggest a final end, it redefines the end as a transitional phase in an eternal cosmic cycle. The Big Slurp. The Big Slurp is a specific variation of vacuum decay tied to insights from particle physics and the behavior of the Higgs field. According to precise measurements, our universe may be metastable, stable under normal conditions, but not in the deepest possible energy state. If true, the Higgs field that gives particles mass could suddenly slip into a more stable configuration. This shift would cause a catastrophic restructuring of the vacuum. A tiny bubble of true vacuum would spontaneously form and expand at the speed of light, erasing the existing laws of physics, forces, and particles. This is similar to vacuum decay, but the term Big Slurp emphasizes the sudden collapse of the Higgs field to a lower energy state. Because the vacuum defines the structure of space itself, this change wouldn't just destroy matter, it would rewrite the fabric of reality. No known physical process could resist it. Entire galaxies would vanish without warning. Even the constants of nature, like the speed of light or the charge of the electron, could change or become undefined. The Big Slurp is supported by some interpretations of measurements from CERN, especially regarding the Higgs boson's mass. While no such event has occurred in 13.8 billion years, the risk, however small, is non-zero. Proton decay. Proton decay is a hypothetical process predicted by some grand unified theories, GUTS, which attempt to unify the strong, weak, and electromagnetic forces. If protons are not truly stable, and instead decay with a very long half-life, then all matter in the universe will eventually disintegrate. Over unimaginably long timescales, estimated at 10 to the 34th years or more, even the most stable atoms would fall apart. Stars would have long since burned out. Black holes would have evaporated through Hawking radiation, and what remains would be cold remnants of particles. When protons decay, they release lighter subatomic particles like positrons and photons, meaning that atoms can no longer hold together. Eventually, all baryonic, normal matter would vanish, leaving only radiation and a sparse sea of elementary particles drifting through an empty, expanding space. This would mark the beginning of the so-called degenerate era, a long phase dominated by the decay of white dwarfs, neutron stars, and the final evaporation of black holes. After that, only low-energy photons, neutrinos, and dark matter would remain, a thin, featureless universe. Cosmic strings. In theories of string theory and higher-dimensional cosmology, our universe might exist as a three-dimensional brane, short for membrane, floating in a higher-dimensional space called the bulk. Other branes could exist parallel to ours, and they might occasionally collide. A brane collision could unleash energy equivalent to another Big Bang, either destroying our universe or birthing a new one. This process is part of the ekpyrotic model, which posits that the observable Big Bang may have originated from such a collision. Unlike the Big Crunch or Big Bounce, this scenario doesn't require our universe to contract. Instead, destruction comes from an external interaction. Cosmic strings, hypothetical one-dimensional topological defects in space-time, could also be involved. If they exist and collide or decay, they might release tremendous energy, potentially tearing the fabric of space-time. The effects could resemble those of vacuum decay, sudden, all-consuming, and irreversible. While highly speculative, these scenarios emerge from attempts to reconcile quantum mechanics and gravity. If correct, they imply that the fate of our universe might not be determined solely by internal processes, but by interactions with a larger, hidden, multidimensional reality.